Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on eToro. First, create an account on eToro by choosing a username, adding your email and password. Then verify your identity. From the navigation bar on the left, click Deposit Funds. Choose your fiat currency, enter payment details, and click Deposit. Navigate to the Bitcoin page and click Invest. You can either trade at the currency price or order at a set price. For extra security, download the eToro Money crypto wallet. To transfer Bitcoin to your wallet, click on the position in your portfolio and select Transfer to Wallet. Try using a demo account first to practice trading without risking real money. And that's it. That's how to buy Bitcoin on eToro. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.